Well, my neighbors are having dinner over there, and I don't want to disturb them doing 7,000 to 9,000 RPMs. But as I was told, never let it idle. Anywhere between 15 to 2,000 RPMs, just kind of keep it going to keep the oil squirted to make this thing last for generations. Well, thank you. Thank you for spending a little time with me, learning a little bit about this motor, some of my history, and this is officially the Tommy roller in memory of my buddy Thomas Galante. Miss you, buddy. Thank you for watching.